Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Studio Sketchbook. Today we are going to create this four-sided, never-ending postcard using my own City Girls vector illustrations. It's interactive, fun and a beautiful way to turn illustrations into something you can actually hold and play with. Before we start, let's quickly go through the tools you need. Some glue, scissors, an embossing or scoring tool, a sharp hobby knife, a metal ruler and a cutting mat. And that's basically it. First, a quick look at my City Girls illustrations. This is one of my sketchbooks, filled with cute little characters. I used to be a huge Hello Kitty and Hamtaro fan, and you can definitely see that kawaii influence in my work. This is one of my personal projects. When I lived in the big city, Rotterdam, I was inspired by the mix of cultures and people around me. From that inspiration, the City Girl character line was born. Each character is based on real people, family, friends, neighbors, colleagues, and people I met in the streets. Here you can see a few more characters, including the final vector-based versions. And yes, I even turned them into posters. Okay, back to the four-sided never-ending postcard. The templates you are seeing are available for free on my website. Link is in the description box. The 4 cards we are going to cut out are 10 by 10 cm each. For our American viewers, apparently 10 cm is almost 4 inches. Let's start cutting along the lines. See these small black reference lines? We'll use them later in the video, so don't cut them off yet. Now let's move on to cutting the second page. And now we've cut them all out. Look how cute they are together. Next, we are going to cut each card in half. Use the small black reference lines to make sure you are cutting in the right direction. On the back of each card, we will add guidelines where we will score the paper. Measure 2.5 centimeters from each side, left, right, top and bottom. Use your scoring or embossing tool to create clean fold lines. Once that's done, fold the paper back and forth to make it more flexible. Repeat this process for the other 3 cards. Now it's time to assemble everything. Get closer to your desk and take your time. Turn the first card around just like you see here. I'll mark the back of the card where we need to apply glue. Add glue to all 4 corners. Get your second card ready and carefully glue it on, making sure everything lines up perfectly. Open the card to the next stage and gently flatten it. Now we'll apply glue in the shape of an H. Take your third card and gently glue it onto the main piece. Open the card once more. This time we'll apply glue across the entire card. Add the fourth and final card carefully to finish the never-ending postcard. And that's it, job done! You're now the owner of a unique, 4-sided, never-ending postcard. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the free templates on my website. Bye bye!